Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in Microsoft Edge and verifying it renders correctly. Once done, look for any annotations or comments and turn them off if you want a plain copy. This prevents embedded notes from becoming permanent. Make sure the file isn't password locked or restricted because that blocks export. Next, use the Edge toolbar to confirm the document size and orientation. This prepares you to export with accurate layout settings in the next step. You now export via the print dialog. Press Ctrl+P or pick Print from Edge's menu, then choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. This creates a standard PDF file separate from Edge. Make sure to set page range, portrait versus landscape, and scaling so content isn't clipped. If you disabled annotations, leave background graphics off. If you need them, enable that option. Click Print, then pick a destination folder and a clear file name to finish by opening the saved PDF in Adobe Reader or another PDF viewer to check fonts, links, and image quality. You want a normal, standalone file. If portions are missing, rerun the print step with different scaling, select Fit to Page, or in advanced print settings choose Print as Image to avoid font embedding problems. If the PDF was restricted, remove or enter the password before exporting. Otherwise, the print to PDF may fail. This leaves you with a portable, normal PDF and one key tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.